Buying, importing, and exporting a car to and from the U.S. Chapter 1. Moving cars across borders. Import or export a car. Importing a motor vehicle. U.S. Customs and Border Protection. cbp.gov/trade/basic-import-export/importing-car. Exporting a motor vehicle. U.S. Customs and Border Protection. cbp.gov/trade/basic-import-export/export-docs/motor-vehicle. Exporting and importing a car between Canada and the U.S. cbp.gov/trade/basic-import-export/importing-car. Importing a motor vehicle, U.S. Customs and Border Protection. Importing a vehicle into Canada from the United States and Mexico. tc.canada.ca/en/road-vehicle/importing-vehicle-United-States-Mexico. CanadianCarShipping.com/import-car-from-Canada-to-US. Importing a car from Canada to the U.S. Snowbirdadvisor.ca/how-permanently-import-your-car-us-Canada. How to permanently import your car to the U.S. from Canada. Hemmings.com/stories/importing-from-Canada-to-USA. How to import a car from Canada into the USA. Buy a car in Europe. Vehicles manufactured abroad must conform to U.S. safety, bumper, and emission standards. Vehicles brought into the country must be brought up to standards, exported or destroyed. For more information, contact Environmental Protection Agency. Vehicle Compliance Program. 401 M St. S.W. Washington, D.C. 20460. 202-564-9660. Fax, 202-564-9596. EPA.gov. Department of Transport Vehicle Hotline. 800-424-9393. DOT.gov. National Highway Traffic Safety Admin. 400 7th St. Southwest. Washington, D.C. 20590. 888-327-4236. NHTSA.gov/cars/rules/import. You can buy a car in Europe and ship it here as long as it's modified to meet all the standards of the Department of Transportation, DOT, and the Environmental Protection Agency, EPA. The big advantage is that you can save a lot of money compared to the mark UPS in the prices in America. Some of the cars in Europe cost less than one half of what they cost in America. Only buy new cars, not used. European dealers are just like American dealers. You can order a car from their inventory or choose your own specifications. It's better to go there on vacation and make the deal face to face, but you can do it all by mail order if you want. Some people go to Europe, buy the car, drive it around during their vacation, then ship it over. Ask your dealer where to buy temporary insurance. He'll know. You generally have to put a 25% deposit down with full payment before the car goes out for shipment. When you send your down payment, the dealer will send you the following 3 forms. Purchase order. Power of attorney form, which you sign and notarize. This form gives the dealer the right to act as your representative and get the proper paperwork on the vehicle. Ministry of Finance forms, which you complete and then they are stamped by the embassy of the country of purchase to qualify for the tax exemption. You'll need a photocopy of your ID like a passport. Your dealer will take care of all the paperwork. When the dealer sends you the registration form, contact the FBI, fbi.gov, or Interpol, interpol.int, and ask them to check the vehicle identification number against their computerized list of hot cars. You might have trouble with your warranty in America. You can ship your car either by air or sea. Sea freights are about a third of the cost of air freight for a car, although it takes about a week longer. Very roughly, sea freight averages about $1,100 while air freight goes about $2,900. You can either get the dealer to make all the shipping arrangements or you can make them yourself. There are also freight forwarding companies that can do it. Buy insurance either from your dealer or the shipper for the trip across. When your car gets stateside, there are several things that you have to do. You can either do them by yourself or hire a customs house broker to handle it all for you. You have to pay dockside terminal charges, about $100. You have to pay customs clearance, $200. Pay the duty, about 3% of the value of the car. Contact Customs for details about arrival procedures. U.S. Customs, Washington, D.C. 20229customs.gov. You have to pay a bonding fee of several $100s for the Department of Transportation (DOT.gov) and the Environmental Protection Agency (EPA.gov) and put a bond equal to the value of the vehicle to ensure that you will bring it up to American standards. Your best bet is to put your house up as collateral. You'll have to fill out Form HS7, then get the required modifications, take photographs, etc. and get it all approved. Go to a conversion center to get the necessary work done. Conversion work is generally reinforcing the doors, reinforcing the bumpers and putting in a converter to reduce the gaseous emissions. Look in your phone book or call up some foreign auto mechanics about conversion work. If you don't get the work done within 120 days, they can and will seize your car. For the EPA, your car has to meet their emission standards conducted at approved testing centers. You pay for the test. U.S. Department of Transportation. Office of Vehicle Safety Compliance. 400 7th St. Southwest. Washington, D.C. 20590. 202-426-1693. DOT.gov. Manufacturers Operations Division. U.S. Environmental Protection Agency. 401 St. SW. Washington, D.C. 20460. 202-382-2504. EPA.gov. Once your vehicle is released from bond, you're free to register and drive it in America, but beware that California has a law which protects its car dealers by not allowing any foreign car with under 7,500 miles on it to be registered there. Despite all these hassles, it's really not that hard to buy a car from Europe and save lots of money. You just get a dealer to take care of everything over there, then when it gets here, pay the fees to U.S. Customs, immediately find a conversion center, get the work done and the EPA test, and that's it. I saw a price list comparing prices in Europe to prices in the States, and there was a big difference. Even with shipping charges and conversion work, you're still getting away cheap. The disadvantage is time. It takes a week for the car to get here by ship. You have to waste your own time to go pick it up. Then when you get the stuff done for the DOT and EPA, you still have to wait while they process the paperwork. Buy a car in Europe for import to the US websites. Some companies sell cars built to US specifications. EuropeanCarImporters.com. European Car Importers, LLC. Importmark.com. Importmark European Car Importer. Exchangeandmart.co.uk. cfr-classic.com/international-car-shipping/importing-a-car-from-Europe. breezecustomz.com/blogs/importing-the-United-States/importing-a-car-from-Europe-to-the-us. schumachercargo.com/EU/import-car-from-Europe. Importing cars from Europe to the USA, Schumacher Cargo Logistics. carsdirect.com/car-buying/how-to-import-a-car-from-Europe.